Let's talk about alcohol. You want to know how you can have a drink and still see progress. Now, there is a video on calorie banking which talks about saving calories so you can have an indulgent weekend with your drink and your food. So I do suggest you watch that before this, as it will make more sense. This video is more focused on a party. You want to go out with the lads or the girls, whatever. You want to really let your hair down, have a good few drinks, big meal, and you want to find out how you can still see progress and enjoy this event or whatever's coming up in the year. But it is important to understand how alcohol can negatively affect your results, because the more knowledge you've got, the more in control you are of the situation. Now, when I've had a few drinks, I have a massive reduction in NEAT. The next day, I just want to slob on the sofa. If you don't understand about NEAT, you need to go and refer to that video. Very important. Obviously, when I've had a few drinks, either on the day or the next day, I start making poor food choices, which is they're high in calories, and then find it really hard to keep full satisfied, and then I can't stick to my calories. So I suppose that runs down to loss of willpower, right? And then it impacts your sleep quality. I do agree that having a couple of drinks does relax me and help me go to sleep. However, it does affect your sleep pattern negatively. Therefore, your hormones, leptin and ghrelin, are out of whack, the ones that tell you if you're full or hungry. And unfortunately, a bad night's sleep tells you you're starving. You've got this demon going on telling you to eat more, eat more, eat more, and it's really, really hard to fight it. Now, the last point here is more focused on the men. Most men that we work with, they want to lose the fat, build muscle, and be strong men, right? Well, if you drink booze, it does absolutely zap the hell out of your testosterone. Great example, go and have 5 pints, come to boot camp the next day and see how strong you feel. You will feel weak as a kitten, okay? So as we go over 30, men, our testosterone starts dropping as each year goes by anyway, and that affects our libido, our confidence, our strength levels, our muscle tone, which affects our fat loss and stuff like that, how much fat we carry. You do not need booze to be zapping it for you. So just consider that before having drinks too regularly. But let's get to the fun stuff. How can we have a drink and still see progress? And it's all about understanding the calorie content. Alcohol has 7 calories per gram. So if you choose purest spirits like gin, slimline, vodka, Diet Coke, so a 0-calorie mixer, you can be in like under 60 calories per drink. So if you want a cheeky drink during the week, but you don't want it to affect the, your food volume and stuff like that, aim for the gin and tonics or the vodka and Diet Coke, things like that. And then when you have a bottle of beer, the calories start to creep a bit higher, 150. And then you've got your sugary drinks like WKD, Smirnoff Ice, they go up even more. And pints of beer and wine, glasses of wine, it does start to get a bit high. But we've got a plan for this party. So let's put a strategy in place. Now, if you've watched about calorie banking, this will totally make sense. And I'm hoping by now, if you are a few weeks in and you've got your head around it, you've started to get into a habit of banking your calories, which you should be doing 150 a day, banking 750 a week. But look, 750 calories for a big night out, it's not going to cut it, right? So we need to put a better strategy in place. So let's save more calories for the party. So let's just say you've worked out your calorie deficit is 1,800 calories a day. Monday to Friday, or Monday to Thursday, sorry, let's not get confused. Monday to Thursday, you're going to save 150 calories. So there's 600 calories saved Monday to Thursday. And then on Friday, you're going to go bigger. You're going to save 500 calories. So 600 calories saved Monday to Thursday, 500 calories saved on Friday. That's 1,100 calories saved in the bank, ready for your party. Yes, fantastic. So you've got your 1,800 calories, which is your deficit, and you've just worked really hard during the week to save 1,100 calories. You now have 2,900 calories to play with at the party. This is a great scenario. Really, really good. And then Sunday, you're back to it. You've got your 1,800 calories, and Monday, you'll start fresh. How do you track it? We all want to know this. MyFitnessPal, of course, you've got to stick your booze in ahead of time on MyFitnessPal, or do it as you go along. Try and do it ahead of time if you can, because once you've had a few, you won't be doing it because your inhibitions will be lower. So the best bet is stick it in ahead of time and overcompensate. And then deduct the calories, and you can see what is left over for food. So it says deduct the calories you're going to have from alcohol, so you can see what you can eat for the rest of the day. And that is how you're going to plan for a big party. Coach Si signing out.